Art of parenting. The child is too little to understand what is good for him. It is totally parents' responsibility to handhold and set a direction for the child. Art of parenting begins with the letter L and not A. L stands for love. Showing love to the child is of paramount importance. Child should breathe in love, feed on love. As early a child learns the language of love, he will start reciprocating the same to the outside world. Now, as parents, we should ask a question to ourselves. Are we practicing the same? When the toddler makes excessive noise or throws a thing down, we get irritated and we show him our displeasure either by scolding or by showing aggressive gestures. Again, we should ask ourselves the question, is that correct? We fail to realize that child is bound to act in that manner, and even we would have also done the same when we were at that age. Have we ever thought about the pain the tender heart of the child would go through when he is shown such behavior for a reason which even he does not comprehend? Knowingly or unknowingly, we are feeding the language of anger, the language of aggression, which would be visible in him sooner or later in some form or the other. Now, the point to ponder upon is that then how we should have handled such a situation? And the answer is pretty simple. Just by kissing and hugging him, distracting him from what he is doing and engaging him into some other activity. We should not be thinking of instilling discipline in the child while he is a toddler. Rather, we should enjoy and cherish his little naughty activities. We should play with him, attend to his little needs of security and bonding. One should not forget the fact that we are the mirror for our children. If we sow the seeds of love, outside world would see the same in our child. And if we would sow the seeds of anger and violence, that would be visible in him. The second most important thing to remember is to stop saying don't and no. We very frequently use these words with kids and children. Don't do this or don't do that, so on and so forth. However, what we overlook is to tell what to do. Let's understand this with an example. Suppose a kid is spending too much of time watching television and we feel that it is not correct. We tell the kid, don't watch so much of TV. Here, we fail to understand the fact that children have boundless energy and they would like to keep themselves busy in something or the other. Now, rather than objecting them for not doing something, we should channelize their energy into something that is constructive and good for them. We should encourage them to join some hobby classes like dance, music or drawing, where they can nurture their talent, which will eventually help them even when they become adults. To conclude, it is the parent's responsibility to ensure that child is treated with love and affection, and we should lead this by example, by behaving with everyone around us with respect, fairness, love and affection, so our children can also learn the same. Secondly, we should utilize their energy in the right direction so that they can lead a successful, contented and meaningful life.